Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. Now, how to get to recently deleted messages on the iPhone. If you're using the basic messages app, which can be used with the regular SMS as well as iMessage, you can manage it very simply. Essentially open it up like this, get inside the app, and you can see the chats, but I want you to click on the filters in the top left corner, and this will move you over to this section, which can split it into multiple different categories like all messages, known and unknown senders, unread, but one of them is recently deleted. And this applies to recently deleted conversations that are here for 40 days for whatever reason, even though like photos and like other like voice memos only stay for 30 days. The messages are here for 40 days. So that's a little like new, but the important distinction is that it only applies to the chats, right? So when you delete the chat, it's gonna show up in the recently deleted folder. It's not for individual messages because you can hold down on a specific message, click on more, and it just delete this message. But when you come back to this section, it's not going to really show up in here. It's like you can see that you cannot really browse it, but you can always just recover it, right? So in case there's like one message which has been deleted in here, you can always just bring it back or delete it altogether. So that's something to pay attention to. Also, you cannot just open up and read it. It's just in the recently deleted. You can always bring it back and then check out what it is, but it's not like you can just browse it from here. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.